Dhruvi Programming Academy. Today we are going to talk about the different assignment operators in Python. Now there are 8 assignment operators in Python, but the most important one of them is this assignment operator represented by the equal to sign. Now this will be used in most of your programs where you would have to assign values to variables such as a equal to m plus n, a equal to 10, a equal to 30 and so on. Now let us understand each of these operators. First I'll explain you and then we will see a demonstration of them. Okay. The addition assignment operator, which is represented by plus equal to, and that is a plus equal to m. Now we write it this way, but internally it is a equal to a plus m. The next is the subtraction assignment operator, a minus equal to m, represented by minus equal to, and internally it is a equal to a minus n. The third is the multiplication assignment operator, so it is a asterisk equal to m, which is internally represented as a equal to a into m. Division assignment operator, now this operator is represented as a divide by equal to m, which is a equal to a divide by m. So it is written in these ways, but it means these. Okay. The next is the modulus assignment. The next is the modulus assignment operator. Now mod equal to, it means when a is divided by m, it will store the remainder of a divided by m in a. Basically it is like the mod operator that we are using. So the mod operator gives us the remainder. So a mod equal to m, which means a equal to a mod m. So a mod m will store the remainder of a divided by m in a. We will see that in a moment. This is the exponentiation assignment operator, a asterisk equal to m, which basically means a equal to a raised to the power m or a raised to the exponentiation m. And the last one is the floor division assignment operator, which is a floor division equal to m, which means it will store the value of a floor division m in a. Now what is the floor division operator? It is basically the operator which gives only the integer part of the quotient, and that will be stored in a. Now let us see the demonstration of each one of them. I have assigned a equal to 120 and m equal to 5. Now I am using the assignment operator here. Now let us start. A plus equal to m, which means a equal to a plus m. So a equal to 120 plus 5, which is equal to 125. So let us print m. Let us print a. So this will give us 125. Let us check. Yes. Now our new value of a is 125. Let us try our second operator, a minus equal to m. Remember that we are not changing the value of m, we are just changing the value of a. So a minus equal to m, which means a equal to a minus m, which means a equal to 125 minus 5. So that should give us 120. Let us print a. Okay, it is giving us 120. Our next operator is the multiplication assignment operator, and let us check. What this means is basically a equal to a into m. So it will be 120 into 5, which will give us 600. Let us check what is it giving us. Yes, it is giving us 600. The next operator is the division assignment operator. So we are writing a divided by equal to m. Now this, remember, it will give us a floating point output always. This means a equal to, so this means a equal to a divided by m. So a equal to 600 divided by 5, which should give us 120. Let us check. 120.0. I'm sorry, I just told you that it will always give you a floating point output, and that is the reason it will give you 120.0. Okay, so now I have assigned A to 123 to A and 4 to M to make you understand the other assignment operators better. Our next assignment operator is A mod equal to M. Now what will this do is basically A equal to A mod M, which means when we divide A by M, it will store the remainder of A divided by M in A. So A equal to A mod M will give us the remainder of 123 divided by 4, which is 3. Let's check. See. Now our new value of A is 3. So we are checking our next assignment operator, that is A exponentiation M, that is A raised to the power M. Oh, I'm sorry, I should have written A exponentiation equal to M, which means A equal to A raised to the power M, which means 3 raised to the power 4, which should give us 81. Let's check. Yes. And now comes the last assignment operator, A floor division equal to M, which means A equal to A floor division M. So our A is 81. 81 divided by 4. Now remember that this will only give us the integer part of the quotient. When I do that, I will get 20. Let's check. Now, if you divide 81 by 4, you will get 20.25. But as I told you, floor division will always give you only the integer part of the quotient. That is why it gave you 20. Okay, so we have covered all the assignment operators in detail. I hope you have understood them. If you have any doubts regarding the same, please do write to me in the comment section below. I would love to answer them. Also, if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel.